move! You are all under arrest! You have the right to remain silent! Ah! An arrest at college? I guess classes are canceled! That's it! Thank you, boys! You did your job! Now we have the day off! The girls have been talking about their phones all day! What a great camera! Look at that resolution! But Sean has nothing to brag about. He has an old model with only 2 cameras. But that's easy to fix. Why spend money on a new phone when you can attach a fake camera for free? Attach a printed picture of an iPhone camera to a square of foam paper. Use double-sided tape. Also attach double-sided tape to the back of the foam paper and trim the edges. The phone upgrade was a success! Whoa! Sean! You have the latest model and the coolest camera! Will you take a picture of us? We want to have great photos! Oh, girls, hang on! I just need to adjust the sharpness! Rosie wants to make cheat sheets! I need to keep them closer to my body! Come on, Ben! Help me out! I'd be glad to! Let's fasten the cheat sheets everywhere we can! To your arms and waist! There's a whole belt of math formulas in here! Stop! That's enough! Rosie still has her legs! Although, hang on! Ben came up with something better! How about having cheat sheets right on your socks? Draw lines on socks using fabric markers. Write formulas. You'll have the answers to one equation on your left leg and the second equation on the right. That's a great way to hide your cheat sheets. We're ready for the test. Psst! Rosie, stretch out your leg. I need to see the answer. And the teacher will have no idea. Cindy is working her eraser at the speed of light in art class. And the shavings from the eraser are flying everywhere. We need to do something about this. Cindy is getting our classroom dirty. Miss Olivia knows who to call. Miss, this is the cleaning police. You are charged with a hygiene violation. And you are sentenced to 1 hour of community service using this broom for pencils. Cut the handles off a pedicure brush using a heated utility knife. Polish the cuts with a nail file. Glue a pencil to the center of the brush. Cover the tip with a cap. Here you go, miss! Clean up the mess from your eraser. And don't break the law anymore. Now Cindy's desk is clean. And what about the rest of the room? Where's Cindy? She is late to the test. Oh, here she is. Miss Olivia is handing out our work. And I understand that Cindy was late for a reason. She was making a necklace with a cheat sheet. Thread pearl beads onto fishing line. Take apart the fastening on a plastic name tag. Pass a needle with a fishing line through the fastening and tie the necklace into a knot. Cindy hides a cheat sheet under her hair. A pearly necklace is a perfect cover-up. But Miss Olivia is an expert in accessories. What an elegant necklace, Cindy! Something is telling me this is a cheat sheet. That's exactly what it is. You'll get a low grade for the day. Whoa! What's on your face? My goodness! This pimple is the size of the Statue of Liberty! You can't scare people like that! But I'm your best friend and I'll always support you! Here, I have a fake pimple of friendship with me! Shape a pimple from light clay. Adjust it with a modeling tool. I'll have a huge pimple too! And you won't be lonely! Let's go! We'll wear our pimples with our heads held high. When you were in the cafeteria, watch your food. Rosie turned away for a second and her friends already stole her treats. What? Where's my food? Well, thanks a lot, friends. Next time, I'll treat you with the most delicious Haribo in the world. Squeeze juice out of a beet, pumpkin, ginger, and spinach. Also make a salt solution. Add diluted gelatin to each container. Stir it and pour into bare molds. Use a pipette. Carefully cut a pack of Haribo. Take out the gummy bears. And put in the bears with unusual flavors. Carefully cover the cut with double-sided tape. Rosie brought candy again! Oh, I forgot something! The friends fall for her gummy bears right away!
Whoa!
Great! They ate the whole pack! What is this flavor? Salt? Ew! This is yucky! What was in these candies? I'm gonna throw up! Guys, what's wrong? Did you take my food without asking me again? I hope you liked it! Our nerdy Freddy is hiding his precious book in his locker. You should have closed it better, Freddy. Ben already came up with a way to prank this nerd. Fasten the pages of an old torn book with double-sided tape in a zigzag. The class has started. Now we'll see if our nerd can read his book. Freddy, can you give me my book back? Sure, Miss Olivia. Ben's prank got even sneakier. Turns out this book belongs to the teacher. What did you do to my favorite book, Freddy? You turned great literature into an accordion. That's not funny, but Ben thinks it's hilarious. What a great prank. Whoa, Rosie, look! Miss Olivia has a cool handbag. A handbag and a treat all in one is what every girl dreams about. That's so useful! Make a rectangular base for a handbag without one side out of felt. Glue a silicone cupcake mold into it. And fill the molds with light clay, making it look like cupcakes with chocolate. Coat the cupcakes with acrylic polish. Miss Olivia leaves, but her handbag is here, tempting the girls with the cupcakes. We love cupcakes! The girls can't hold back. Ew! What's that? Clay? That's so gross! Well, girls, I didn't even suspect you to be so greedy. Miss Olivia, this is for you. An unusual cake for a teacher. Cut triangular blocks of paper out of a notebook. Put a few blocks together and glue on a triangular cover made from thick cardboard. Wrap the cover in red foam paper. Color in the sides of the notebook with a crayon. Attach a decorative raspberry and cream on top. Thanks, Professor Cosine! Fine, I'll give you my phone number. I'll rip a sheet out of my cake. You can ask me out to get dessert. Everyone at college is chewing gum, but Miss Olivia doesn't like that. Stop your smacking! That's not polite. Fine, Miss Olivia, only for you. All our gum is securely hidden. But Rosie has a little secret. It's her unusual pink marker. Take a marker apart. Remove the wadding and thoroughly clean the body. Melt some Love Is gum in a microwave. Add pink food coloring. Roll out the gum. Shape a marker rod and put it into the marker. Rosie pretends she's highlighting her notes, but she's actually taking out the gum. It's delicious! Miss Olivia doesn't even suspect anything, right until Rosie blows a big bubble. Whoops! Your secret is out, Rosie! Lunchtime! Rosie's tray is empty. Rosie,
What?
are you eating imaginary food again?
What?
No! On today's menu, I have a burger with a phone. Make a hamburger frame with a phone stand from a wire. Wrap the burger in light clay and make space for a phone. Shape a bun, a lettuce leaf, and a patty. Create texture on the patty with the back of the modeling tool. Put cheese and tomato on top. Cover it with a clay bun. Place clay French fries at the front. Add accents with acrylic paint. Attach sesame seeds on top. Whoa! This phone stand is so creative! Rosie is on a healthy diet today. She is watching YouTube videos instead of eating a greasy burger. Did you like our life hacks and pranks? Then comment below how you'd prank your college friends. Would you attach a fake pimple, wear cheat sheets on your socks, or start chewing on a marker? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new college pranks and life hacks from Troom.